Two firms, Firm A and Firm B, are deciding whether to advertise A or not advertise NA. The payoff matrix, profits, for Firm A's profit, Firm B's profit, is given below. Firm B, advertise A. Firm B, not advertise NA. Firm A, advertise A. 5, 10, 2. Firm A, not advertise NA. 2, 10, 8. Understanding the payoff matrix, each cell shows the profits for Firm A, first number, and Firm B, second number, based on the choices of both firms. For example, if Firm A advertises and Firm B advertises, both get a profit of 5. If Firm A advertises and Firm B does not advertise, Firm A gets 10 high profit and Firm B gets 2 low profit. A. Does Firm A have a dominant strategy? If so, what is it? Explanation. A dominant strategy for a player is a strategy that yields the best payoff for that player regardless of what the other player chooses. To find if Firm A has a dominant strategy, we compare Firm A's payoffs for each of its strategies, considering each of Firm B's possible actions. Solution. Let's analyze Firm A's choices. Scenario 1. If Firm B chooses to advertise A, Firm A chooses advertise A. Profit equals 5. Firm A chooses not advertise NA. Profit equals 2. Conclusion. If Firm B advertises, Firm A is better off choosing advertise 5 greater than 2. Scenario 2. If Firm B chooses to not advertise NA, Firm A chooses advertise A. Profit equals 10. Firm A chooses not advertise NA. Profit equals 8. Conclusion. If Firm B does not advertise, Firm A is better off choosing advertise 10 greater than 8. Since choosing advertise yields a higher profit for Firm A whether Firm B advertises or not advertises, advertise is Firm A's dominant strategy. Yes, Firm A has a dominant strategy, which is to advertise A. B. Does Firm B have a dominant strategy? If so, what is it? Explanation. We apply the same logic as in part A, but from Firm B's perspective. We compare Firm B's payoffs for each of its strategies, considering each of Firm A's possible actions. Solution. Let's analyze Firm B's choices. Scenario 1. If Firm A chooses to advertise A, Firm B chooses advertise A. Profit equals 5. Firm B chooses not advertise NA. Profit equals 2. Conclusion. If Firm A advertises, Firm B is better off choosing advertise 5 greater than 2. Scenario 2. If Firm A chooses to not advertise NA, Firm B chooses advertise A. Profit equals 10. Firm B chooses not advertise NA. Profit equals 8. Conclusion. If Firm A does not advertise, Firm B is better off choosing advertise 10 greater than 8. Since choosing advertise yields a higher profit for Firm B, whether Firm A advertises or not advertises, advertise is Firm B's dominant strategy. Yes, Firm B has a dominant strategy, which is to advertise A. C. What is the Nash equilibrium of this game? Is it a Pareto efficient outcome? Explain your reasoning. Explanation. Nash equilibrium, NE. A set of strategies where no player can unilaterally improve their payoff by changing their strategy, assuming the other player's strategies remain unchanged. In games with dominant strategies, the intersection of dominant strategies is always a Nash equilibrium. Pareto efficiency. An outcome is Pareto efficient if it's impossible to make one player better off without making at least one other player worse off. If an outcome is not Pareto efficient, it means there's at least one other outcome where at least one player is better off and no player is worse off. Solution. Nash equilibrium. Since both Firm A and Firm B have a dominant strategy to advertise, both will choose to advertise. The outcome is Firm A advertise, Firm B advertise, with payoffs 5-5. Let's confirm this is a Nash equilibrium. If firm B advertises, can firm A do better by switching to not advertise? No. 5 is better than 2. If firm A advertises, can firm B do better by switching to not advertise? No. 5 is better than 2. Since neither firm has an incentive to unilaterally deviate, advertise, with payoffs, 5 is the Nash equilibrium. Pareto efficiency. Let's compare the Nash equilibrium outcome, 5, with other possible outcomes. Advertise, 5, advertise, not advertise, 10, 2. Firm A is better off, 10 greater than 5, but firm B is worse off, 2 less than 5, not Pareto superior. Not advertise, 2, 10. Firm B is better off, 10 greater than 5, but firm A is worse off, 2 less than 5, not Pareto superior. Not advertise, 8, both firm A 8 greater than 5 and firm B 8 greater than 5 are better off than in the Nash equilibrium. Since there is an outcome, not advertise, with payoffs, 8, where both players are better off than in the Nash equilibrium, 5, the Nash equilibrium is not a Pareto efficient outcome. Reasoning. The game is a classic example of the prisoner's dilemma. Individually rational choices, playing the dominant strategy, advertise, lead to a collectively suboptimal outcome. Both firms, acting in their own self-interest, end up in a situation where they both earn 5 units of profit, even though they could have both earned 8 units of profit if they had cooperated, and both chosen not advertise. The inability to credibly commit to cooperation, or the lack of trust, forces them into the less desirable outcome.